welcome to yet another tutorial from LevelUp Networks. I promise this will be much quicker than the previous ones. Today I'm going to show you how to restart your computer, your server, or another PC in your network through the command prompt. Let's get started. So as per usual, we hit the Start menu. We open the command prompt by using the Start menu, which is on the left, as I said, and type in CMD, which opens a command prompt. Now, let me maximize this. So the command for today is called SHUTDOWN. Now, SHUTDOWN, it's just like the name says, will also turn off your machines, but in this case, we're going to use it to restart a machine. So let's begin by checking the switches available for this command. So if we type SHUTDOWN space /?, you will see that this has quite a few things you can use. Now the one pertinent for today is the /R, which you can see is a full shutdown and restart of the computer. Now, in order to use this, here you have all the usage, which may look like Greek, but we are going to make it very simple. So let's restart this particular machine. So let's clear the command prompt for a minute. So in order to restart this, we just go shutdown space /R. Now we can set it to force to close applications. Now I do highly recommend this when this comes to PCs, as sometimes there's a lot of background processes that may get stuck and may prevent your machine from restarting. To do this is very simple. You just add another switch, which is /F for force. And the last parameter that I like to put is to schedule it to do it immediately. So you would do /T space. And then here you put the amount of seconds that you wish to restart your machine. So in this case, because we want to do it immediately, you would put 0. But let's say you want to put it in a minute, you would put 60. For 60 seconds. So let's see if it works. Press enter. And there it goes. It's restarting. Now while this comes back, this is a very useful command. Sometimes you are within your network and as an IT support engineer, you wish to restart a computer remotely, or well, not remotely, because you have to be at least in the same sort of environment. But in this case, let's say, for example, that you use a remote connection such as TeamViewer or LogMe in, and there are times where you just can't connect. Now you see the machine online, you can ping it, you can see it through your file explorer, but for some reason these remote desktop applications don't let you restart the machine. So this would come in really handy. I'll show you right now how you would do it. Now because this is a virtual environment, I unfortunately don't have another machine, but at least I will use the syntax for, and you can try it yourself. Now once again, let's go shutdown /?, and you will see here, so you would go shutdown, the same parameters we used before. So /R, /F to force it, and then to /T for the amount of seconds. Now pay attention to this one, /M. So that would be, for example, to restart another machine. So once again, I won't press enter this time, but you can see it should be something like this. We shut down space /R, /F, /T, 0 seconds, /M, and then you put the computer name. And then you would just press enter, and this would restart the machine that is on your network. The same goes for servers. Now for servers, I don't highly recommend using the /F to force if you are running, for example, Exchange on-premise or a SQL database, but it's fine to use it on other non so complicated servers. For example, domain control is fine, But the problem to use it with Exchange servers and SQL database is because they use database, and those database, if they close incorrectly, that machine, or that, sorry, not the machine, but that database could get corrupt. And it would be the same way you do it here. You just put the computer name. Now, obviously, don't do this during working hours, because that would literally disconnect all the users or the files or anything. So you can schedule it, for example, for 240 minutes, which would be exactly 4 minutes, or if you want 4 hours, just add the equivalent seconds. Okay, I hope that was quick and easy for you. As I promised, it's not going to be a long one this time. So until next time. To get the latest tutorials, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Until then, take care.